So we all enjoy Midjourney, but how can we take it to the next level when it comes to use cases? I think creating your own avatar inside the Midjourney algorithm could be a part of the next level we are looking for. With this, you can replicate the same character you have created in different styles and environments. So let's find out how you can do this. Okay, so the first thing you need to do when creating your avatar is, of course, choosing what kind of avatar you want. So the prompt is just gonna be girl in her 20s. Just added beautiful, why not? Long blonde hair, freckles, tan skin. And we want the aspect ratio 2:3. So now I'm just gonna create a few versions of this and pick out the ones we like the most. Okay, so now we have created a few versions of our prompt. You can see one here and we got some more here. So the one I have selected is this second one, and I'll click upscale because you need to upscale it to vote for it. So this is the one we upscale. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna give it this is the highest rating you can give it. So just click on this emoji with the heart eyes, and then you can see you have successfully rated this result with okay. So here you can see the next thing you have to do now is when you have your upscale here, click on this emoji here, add reaction, and find the envelope. So when you click on the envelope, what you get is this seed number. That is very important when we are gonna make different versions of this now. So when you have the seed number, you are ready to go to the next step. Okay, so now that we have our seed number, the next step we have to do is create, I would say, like a name for our avatar. So what I have done here is I've just chosen this name, Nyla Wolf. It's a girl with long blonde hair. So that is going to be the reference to this image. It's important that you don't take like a very generic name because it needs to be unique. So, and I also have, if you can see behind the name I have chosen, we have this image weight that is set to 2. Stylize is set to, I would say 1200 is good. So we get some small variations. And this is important, the same seed. So what you do, you have to place the seed for the image you want. So that we copy it from here and place it behind here. So now I'm gonna create a few more variations of this image. Okay, so now we have created a whole bunch of different versions of the same seed prompt. So now we're just gonna repeat this process. So I'm going all the down now. See, now I have a new seed number. You can just copy this. I'm gonna take this seed number and place it here. And now we're gonna repeat this step all over again. Okay, so now we have our next set of images. Again, we're just gonna repeat what we did earlier. Do the emoji, click the envelope again, switch out the seed number and run it again. So now I'm just gonna do this 4 to 5 times. Then I think our avatar is ready. Okay, so now that we have associated our prompt with this avatar, it is time to start trying to place this avatar into different scenes and use different styles. So the first thing we're gonna do, just run this avatar. I think this is a good test. So we're just gonna run this now, and then we're gonna explore more scenes to put our avatar in. So as you can see here, this is looking quite good. I think this is very similar to our avatar. She's in a sunny day, she's taking a selfie. We got the 4:3 and here we got the 2:3. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. This looks as expected, I think. Okay, so when we run our avatar unique name with the test P prompt, we get this image. So I thought it actually looks really a lot like the source avatar we created from the first seed. But of course, this is more like photorealistic with the test P function. So yeah, I think it's good. So now we're gonna expand this and of course use this unique name and add more context behind so we can place this avatar in different scenes and in other styles. So here we have added, at the end of the prompt, we have added as Wonder Woman and of course the same test P. So yeah, you can really see like the resemblance of our avatar in this. Of course, it's not exactly the same, but I think this turned out pretty damn good actually. So I really enjoy like the aesthetics. It's not, I wouldn't say it's photorealistic, but you can clearly see that this is the avatar we build up. So of course the prompt is the same. We just added as Wonder Woman. So very happy with this. So the next was just to replace Wonder Woman with Lara Croft. And again, we are on the test P function. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. You can clearly see that this is a Lara Croft character. And I also see our avatar in this. So very good, very good. So next up we have something quite different. The prompt is our unique name with the bikini, tan, full body, and great lightning. And here we have the test function, not the test P. So yeah, pretty happy with this. Looks like there's an arm missing, but don't mind that. But I like the composition and how our avatar is represented in the image. Okay, so then again, we have just gone for something completely different. Here we just went with our unique name again, wearing glasses, reading a book, and here we have the test prompt again. So it looks very good. I can see like the hands, it's not perfect of course, but the avatar is, I think it's clearly represented again. So now we have a lot of different styles and a lot of different settings for our avatar. So let's just look at the last one. So here again, I tried something different. I tried to actually get the avatar to do something, not just have the look. So here we can see she is trying to eat pizza with some freaky hands, as always. But except from the fingers, again, looks good. And I think it represents the avatar we create. Okay, so I hope you found this interesting, and I think this could create some cool stuff. If you want more Midjourney videos, you can check out this one. And as always, have a great day, and I'll see you